Hi, I'm writing all the wrong questions who could be at this hour, and unfortunately my partner Bella couldn't be here. I found a dun dun dun, and the question is, why would this be a dun dun dun? A dun dun dun, and the dun 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 is that Lenny Secret was searching up the attic, and then he found a package that was the size of a bottle of milk, and it had a handwriting that he recognized, so who do you think it is? And that's the dun dun dun, and the question is, why do you think it's a dun dun dun? And so I think it's a dun 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 because this moment is because he doesn't know who it is, and it could be somebody. It could be like the stealer, or it could be Theodora, it could be anybody. That's why it's a dun dun dun, and he doesn't know who it is. So I think it might be a Theodora because I don't really trust Theodora, even though she's been throughout the story. Usually, like in those regular stories, or the person you don't suspect always is it. I think Theodora is the one that's stealing it because she always tries to make poor decisions, and she's maybe trying to throw off the people. And every time Snicket is away from Theodora, he keeps on finding these clues. So maybe Theodora is the stealer, so she's the one that's the stealer because she's out, and Snicket doesn't see that she's out. She could be the stealer. So that's why I think it's a dun dun dun. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope you like it. Thank you. Bye.